Hello everyone, welcome back to SGM Creations and Tutorials. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to SGM Creations and Tutorials. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, like, comment in order to improve my project, and share this video so that others will learn how to create different projects out from recycled materials. I have here a fashion earrings made from the egg tray. This is from the egg tray I cut out. Look at this. Cut out like this and decorate it with the crystal lace. You start from the top or you can start from the bottom and wrap it around and fix it with the use of adhesive glue. And you can decorate here on the and below you can add some pearl lace. And here you fix it here in this hole, fix it with a stopper and attach a hook and a ring, and it forms like this, and fix it with the use of the adhesive glue. Look at this. So it turns into a fashion earrings. So that is a very simple and easy way how to recycle the empty box of the egg tray. And this is the egg tray. Look at this. This is from the fresh eggs from Boden Haltung, or from the poultry. This is a product of Deutschland or Germany. So guys, I hope you get an idea on how to recycle your empty egg tray and transform into a unique fashion earrings like this. Look at this. Just cut out the egg tray like this, cut out the top portion and decorate it with crystallize with the use of adhesive glue. Just fix a glue here and fix the crystallize and wrap around slowly until you finish at the end. And you can attach another decoration. This is a pearl lace, and fix also with adhesive glue. So if you are going to create a fashion accessories, just use adhesive glue. That I will recommend adhesive glue, because adhesive glue will fix instantly and it is long lasting. And this is now the fashion accessories made from the empty egg tray. Okay, from trashes or from garbage to fashion accessories, from egg tray, empty egg tray, into fashion accessories. Okay, so this is the egg tray, and I cut out like this. So okay guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting my channel. To shout out to all my subscribers for supporting my channel. Right now I have already more than 3,000 subscribers, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for your unfailing support to continue to watch my videos. Dankeschön, maraming salamat, Efrastupli, grazie, and daghang salamat. See you again in my next tutorial. Bye-bye. This is SGM Creations and Tutorials from Germany. So this is now our project, fashion earrings made from the empty egg tray. Okay, from the empty egg boxes. This is now the cones from the empty egg tray. So please, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and share this video. Happy weekend and keep safe, everyone. God bless and keep safe always. Ciao. So now this is now the transformation of our fashion accessories. Look at this. From egg tray boxes to fashion accessories. And you can wear this one if you're wearing your long gown or